Okay. Now we have second team. The members of second team are Vivek, Nikhil, Kavi and Ravi. They are going to present the presentation on 5G technology, which is the buzzword of this 21st century. So, through this presentation, we are going to have more knowledge about 5G technology. And you know, if anyone say about 5G technology, so far India is concerned, Reliance Jio is coming with the new 12 version. And I am the one in Begusarai who are using the 5G technology of Reliance Jio. So team, black team, come here and do the presentation as best as possible. Go on.
A very plain good morning to a very plain good morning to one and all who trained vector research and research. And our team is and our topic is what 5G and our team member is Ravi, Vivek, Kavi and Smriti. And our content is introduction of 5G, network history, connectivity, AI, law on 5G network, cybercrime, advantage, disadvantage, impact on economics and environment, and consequences. And introduction of 5G. What is 5G? 5G is
You are very little in your presentation.
What is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless channel after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G network. And 5G enables on new kinds of network that is designed to connect everyone and everything together, including machine, object and devices. And I would like to call.
Thank you everyone. And our next slide is networking history. In networking history, we have two topics, that is how is it started and which company first started networking. I would like to say that how did it start? It is started since in 1960s. First it was introduced in 1960s, but in 1980 we got 1G, in 1990 we got 2G, in 2000 we got 3G, in 2010 we got 4G, in 2020 we got 5G. Now we can assume that in 2030 we can have the 6G and so on. And which company is the first started networking? Is 3GPP, that is third generation partnership project. And our next slide is AI. We all know that AI refers to artificial intelligence. And what is AI? When is it invented? And I would like to say that what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, which was when in 1955 it was introduced. That time they call them as logic theories, and it was invented by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon. And since when it was commercially used in 2006, that time that was introduced by John McConnell. The biggest example of AI is Tesla, eVision, Google Assistant, Chrome, e-shopping sites and assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, and so on. What is the uses of AI? We all know that AI. So what is the use of AI? I would like to say that AI uses for our daily life, which will be more comfortable with AI. If we are searching for something in Google, if we type something on our phone, that will take so much time. If we directly use a mic and we say that what is the date of this and what is the weather of this, that will be the more efficient. If we continuously searching for something, that next time Google will already suggest you that what you are going to search for. That is called AI. And I would like to say that now we can say that AI is almost human, because it already knows that what we are going to search and what is our needed. I would like to
Thank you. And now our next slide is connectivity. So for our last network and previous network is concerned, that is our 4G and 3G. 5G take a very wide range of connectivity of network and people. in 4G, suppose in 4G, if you are using with the help of one tower, thousands of people are connected with that tower, and so far in comparison to 5G, it will connect more than 1,000 people in the same tower with the high speed internet speed with your download and upload. Now, number of connections, as I explained, range of network will be also increasing in this 5G network, because it is an upgraded form of 4G, and 4G is also a very greatest network when 5G will not discover in this technological era. And now speed of uploading and downloading, as I also mentioned, that is up to your 1 Gbps to 100 Mbps will be speed. And now, devices, connectivity of devices. Devices means your like laptop, PC, mobile phones, and your AI like your Echo, Alexa Echo, and Google Echo. These all are work on your internet system. Suppose if a human will work continuously without having a food, that means he will not work properly after some time. Like same with our devices. If you are giving this high-speed internet data is like a food of the devices, because they need to work properly with the help of internet. So if you are giving 5G network to the devices, they will work very properly, very fastly, as much as we want, as we require. So now cybercrime. We will introduce cybercrime because in this time almost many cases we heard about the bank frauds and money transfer without knowing the owner. This all come under cybercrime. So in cybercrime, there is in 5G network how it will help for the government to secure their data. Because as you know that if any hacker or if any group will attack on your company, they will firstly jam on your network, that you can't do anything from your side to protect your network. And in this 5G network, 5G provide all the securities that if someone is jammed your network, then will after that you will also use some high-speed internet to protect your data. And security access, as we see that the high-speed internet is available, then we can also easily access to our security, easily secure our system. Chance of data loss will be also decreased, and the high risk of being pawned. Being pawned means if we all are here who are using social media accounts like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. In Facebook, we are logged in while using Facebook. There are lots of sites when we are logged in, but we forget that how many sites we are logged in. And this is a high risk. This is the reason of pawn, because in the same websites, maybe a website which is access your data and store your data, and after stealing they will start blackmailing. So, and there is some website will also provide you to secure your to know that where your ID is logged in or where your data is running on. So now law on 5G network, because modern problem will create because of this 5G, so that government also increase the law, and there is some sections and the offense and the penalty to the one who will supposed to do such kind of things. First of all, section 66. Section 66 means hacking with computer system. If you are using another computer system or hacked another system, then you will be the jail up to 3 years and fine up to 5 lakhs. And the next one is the 66B. Section 66B. In this, if you are buy or if you are receive a stolen computer system or stolen devices, and it is also a part of crime, because you don't know the seller who will buy their own identity or they will steal from the anywhere else. So it will also jail up to your 3 years and fine up to your 1 lakh. And this one is 6060. Section 6060 is your using of another one password of another one. As in the time of Facebook, we are using our own account, but for for the guarantee of the other people, we are using their password to access their account, so that they are chatting with someone else or something else. So in this situation, they can, if the person is not aware that his account is using by another one, they can also case, and the one who are using is jail up to 3 years and fine up to 1 lakh. And the last one is the 66. Section 66 is your all about your publishing your private images and sharing your private images with others without knowing of you.
But you could have mentioned the IT Act 2000, but you only mentioned 66, 66B. What does it infer?
Actually, IT Act in this IT Act is concerned in this all.
Where is IT? You have to put IT Act because 66. What is the 66? You can't say section 66. You have to mention the from where it brought.
The section 66 is all about your IT Act 2000.
Yes. You have to
It
mention.
is a subsidiary of. We can say that it's a branch of the Act 2000. We can.
You have to mention because if you can relate with the your IPC also, CRPC also.
Yeah.
For that you have to mention the act.
Main Act. Yes. And these all are act run under your one act, that is the IT Act 2000. And in IT Act information technology, all the acts are concluded in that act because in that act. So in that IT Act, I will take only four sections so that we can explain very easily, because so far our time is concerned, we have to do very short. So as I explained, the 66 is that you're publishing your private images of other and sharing your private images. If you are published without knowing the owner of the images, they will jail up to your 3 years and fine up to your 2 lakhs. So now we will move for the advantage. So now I call the Vivek to move forward your advantage.
As we will use 5G in our front page, then we have to also there will be advantages, so we can use such kind of things. Because if there is no advantage, then we can't use such kind of things. And the advantages of 5G are high speed data, low latency rate, helpful for IT sector, uses military, uses for new devices and applications, more connections, urbanization, variety of choices for customer, helpful for education sector. As we know about the 4G data speed is higher, but in the comparison of 4G, 5G is much higher than the 4G, because the data speed its downloading speed is 1.9 GB per second and the uploading speed 100 MB per second, and it is very high from the 4G. The low latency rate. Latency rate means while we are making any video call to our partners and other family members, then it takes 4 to 7 seconds to connect a call. But if you are talking in 5G, it takes only 2 to 3 seconds to connect a call. It is known as latency rate, and it's decrease our time in contact our partners. Helpful in IT sector. As our country developed, then we have to need a very good IT sector, and IT sector need a very good speed of network. Because he has very good network of speed, then he can do many works in a very short time. And because many work are doing from the satellite, and satellite also need a very good networking speed. Because there will be no buffering. Because in the buffering they consume a lots of time, and it is very harmful for the time killing. And uses in military. In military there are lots of weapons which are connected to satellite, and it is uses a very good network like Brahmastra, which is left in our space, and it takes a satellite to connected our many weapons, and from this we can attack on our enemies, and we can also measure many things, and we can also use drones in our border areas. From this is also need our good network speed. Used for new devices and applications. As we go into modernization, there is coming a lots of vehicles like Tesla, e-Vision, which is need a very good networking speed. If there is no good networking speed, then how can it work? Because it is automatic cars, and automatic cars need a very good network speed, because in the range of 10 meters, if there is no networking, then the car will be stopped. Then how can it move? Because automatic cars need a very good network. If there is no network, then the car will be not go in a right manner. And there are also many applications like CAD. If we are working on CAD, then we need a very good graphics, and very good graphics need a very good high-speed data network, and it is needed 50 MB per second data speed. So we need 5G network. And through the graphics, we can make many bridges. Like we can hearing about the news of Simaria bridge, which is made in these days, and it is also need very good graphics, because while we are write latitude and longitude on the laptop, then we can get the place, and we can make graphics on our laptop on a one place. more connection. At that time in the 4G we can connect, I say one time from one tower we can connect 400 networks. But from the 5G we can also connect 800 mobile networks on a similar tower. Urbanization. If we are going through 5G, then there would be urbanization will be also increased. Because in the terms of 4G, we can also hear many music. While we are visiting any village, where would be no any identification of neighbor. But that time people also watching live match on the Hotstar and many network like Jio TV and many other things. But in the coming of 5G, the people will also increase their mind and they can also use many things on the similar time. And these days we are knowing about digital India. It means we are doing many works on online. And we can, if we are sitting in our home, then we can pay money to the any restaurant, any things, and we can order anything. It is coming in our home. E-cart site. If we are doing e-cart working, means online shopping, then we can also pay money to our home and we can get a lots of things in our home without going to the market. During this COVID situation, there is also a school which is closed, but the education is also big because any country depend on the education, how your education system is high. Then if 5G is coming in the 4G, there will be buffering of network. So it creates a problem to a student to study their materials in the school. The school has also not good education, good speed, network speed. In the 5G, it is very good, and they can also learn many things in a short time, and there will no any buffering of networking, and they can study very good because in the absence of 5G, there will be buffering, and the student while going to study any things online, but there would be no clear. Then he can shut down the laptop and go on the bed. But if there is 5G, then he can also enjoy to study his material. Disadvantage. This is the speed of mobile network of 5G. First, let's try from the mobile phone. That is 0.51 second. From 5,000 we can search things, and that is 5G broadband. 0.28 second take to 50,000 searching. Disadvantages. As we come into the 5G network, it is very beneficial for all the things, but it is also disadvantage. High cost for installation. It is a very high cost for installation. If we are talking about the networking charge, its networking charge will be also high because in the comparison of 3G and 4G, the time is coming, it will also increase the data charge. And if we are talking about installation, if we are installing any broadband in our home, it takes about 2,500 to 3,000. Battery high drain. If we are using mobile phones with the 5G network, then our battery drain is very high. So the next mobile phones will be make the company should make a very good battery because 5G network also drains our battery very fast. Limitation for rural area access. The 5G network has a terms and policy condition that he makes the 5G network will be only that area which are very useful and very developed, like in the very metropolitan city like Maharashtra, Mumbai, Pune, Bengaluru, and just like Bengaluru is also connected. But in the rural areas, there would be no beneficial for 5G network as the terms and condition has been submitted from the 5G network. Impact on environment, and it will be discovered in next slide. Obstructions. If 5G network will become, there will be obstructions also coming, as I show you some things like if the router is coming from here, if there will be lots of obstruction, then the range of network is coming very slow. It is the obstructions of 5G network. Impact on economy. As 5G is going on, then the employment will be also increased, and many people have worked on 5G network. And in the modern time, the whole world going through the computerization, and they are working on IT sector. In IT sector, because there is need of 5G network, and there will be also increase of employment. And the people who work in the office, they need very good variety of work. And the 5G network, the people also need a very employment, and they also got a good income because IT sector there is no less income of any person. Your package will be started from that 5 to 6 lakh per year. And increasing of business sector. As we are talking about business sector, because of lack of networking, people also are get trouble to start their business online. But in the 5G network, they can use their business and increase their business in a high dynamic. Because in your home, you can also send money to the other partner through your bank account. From the banking side, e-banking, as we know, and RTGS NFT we can also do in the sitting of our home. There will be any problem of anything, and we can do many works from that. First we have to go to the bank, but we can do such kind of work in our home to sitting in one place. and we can also doing many things like we can arrange ourselves with CCTV camera, and we can sit in our home and we can watch everything in a proper way. There will be no any problem. Help in GDP, as employment has been increased and the market will increase, and it is also of impact on our GDP. And if GDP is increased, then any country will be increased very developed. And because GDP is the backbone of any country. Easy marketing. If marketing is increased, that is also impact on your GDP, and GDP is also increased, and marketing will be very easy, because if you are going to any market in the local area, we can also do many things. And like Amazon, if you are talking about Amazon, Amazon also send out things. If you are buying anything in the local area, also might, like I am a shopkeeper, then I also joined Amazon, and we can sell our product on Amazon, and Amazon sell such product to other people who are buying that such book. Impact on environment. As networking is going on, then it is also impact on environment, like impact on human being, impact on birds and animals, deforestation, decreasing of pollution, and global warming. First of all, I want to tell you, if you are using mobile phones, then it also left radiation, which is very harmful, and it make our brain. It will be a problem of brain tumor of many person. And we can also get eyesight problem and hearing problem with the radiation, and brain tumor is very big problem. And impact on birds and animals. If you are talking about birds and animals, we will be also seen a movie Robot 2.0, in which we can see what is the reality problem of radiation. And birds are very endangered in such kind of things. And we are also, before here we are listening chirping of many birds, but in these days it is decreased, and we are not listening such kind of things. It is all about the problem of global warming, also a problem, but it is problem of radiation, because radiation decreases the number of birds and animals. Many tiny creatures which are known as decomposers, which are grown in the forest area, will decompose the dead plants, dead animals. But due to the lack of such kind of thing, the forest is also polluted. Such kind of thing. There would be a smell, and many creatures has got lots of problems from such kind of things. Decreasing of pollution. If we are talking about that, there will be a COP26 policy will be held in Paris Agreement. From this, there will be 26 countries which is signed assignment that we have to decrease of carbon sink pollution, and we have to decrease carbon percentage in our environment. And this is going to 2020 to 2030. It is a policy, and in 2050 it will be fully decreased. And this is the policy. And India is also part of such kind of policy, such kind of in COP26. Global warming. If we are talking about global warming, it is very short to explain right now, but it is very harmful for all the environment, because if we are doing radiation, and it is impact on our ozone layer. If ozone layer is depleted, then it will be. Then we have got a lots of radiation and a lots of rays like X-rays, alpha rays, many others, which are harmful for our skin, and it will be impact on our skin cancer and many others. And there will be also carbon sinks, which it is also, and we can also face acid rain. And that's all. And now we are coming on our conclusion. As we are studying about, I am coming to behalf of all of my teammates. As we are studying about the 5G network, then we have got lots of things, and we think that thing that we used in our general days, we have to also focus on our environment, because environment everything, not only the economy system. Because if environment is good, then our health is also good. If we earn lots of money from the anything, then our health is not good. Then the old money will be going to our doctor, and how much money we have? There is nothing. Then we have to also focus on our environment. Then we can also do many works in a right manner. And if we are talking about the COP26, then this is not the only document level. We have to also work on our ground level, because if ground level is good, then our environment will be also good. And the fraud system, if we are talking about IT sector, then IT sector also develop many things. From such kind of things, the fraud will be decreased and cybercrime will be decreased. That's all.
Okay. Nikhil, come here. Amar, stand up. Ask him a question. Amar, ask him a question.
5G technology, is considered that is using our present life and in the future. How many it change our life and how many it impact our life, and also how can it impact on our environment?
Can you please open your mouth, please?
Okay, you ask clearly. Ask him once again, clearly, without mask.
Okay. 5G technology is the present technology or our future technology, but how can it reliable our life?
Yes, in this time, we need 5G because the 4G range and 5G range is the good. And in this time, the 5G is very important because we are all working online. That's why 5G we are getting. We have to need 5G. And
So good. Come here. Come on, ask him a question.
How artificial intelligence can be used to meet India's socio-economic needs? How artificial intelligence can be used to meet India's socio-economic needs?
Socioeconomic needs by AI. AI help us to understand our choices. If our choices will be increased and if that was understood by our choices, that next time our search engine will be provide that what we are searching for. If we are consuming less time searching for something like that will be increasing will increase our timing. If we are
Oh, very good, very good. Yes, Ravi, come here. Ask him please.
Some experts say in the world, technology will be the couch of next one. Do you satisfy?
Obviously,
You want to make
obviously, because of our time.
Give the answer in an appropriate manner.
Yeah, because so far your security is concerned, technology will be the next. Security is all about your depend on technology, high speed internet and all. So if you have the high speed internet and there is not only the advantage point that you are only able to use the 5G network. Suppose you are in the part of our cyber security team to help our government, and that is provide you all the facilities to secure their data. But this is not only for you. There will also some people who are backside from you who will attack on your data, who will capture on your data. In this case we can say that the next war will be the technological war.
Okay, fine, very good. Vivek, come here. Good. Vivek, you have covered many things. Actually, you are the leader of your presentation, the way you spoke. You connected 5G with many things. You connected 5G with Bitcoin also. Correct? Your employment also. Many things. Okay, in this era, we know 21st century is all about your data century. And artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, automated cars, driverless car, all are the part of your 5G technology. So in order to increase the 5G technology, we need to have first digital literacy across the country. So how can you ensure that with the help of 5G technology, you can promote the digital literacy even in the remotest part of this country?
Yes, sir. So as I mentioned in my talk, in the rural areas where people are not able to use mobile phones, they are watching live match. On the similar time, there are also many children, because the children has a very interested on using mobile phones. If parents is going parents give them mobile phones and they said you can also watch your classes online. And that children also has interest to watch many things on the mobile phones. And many children have, if a small children is growing, then we can make any habit to him. Then he is doing such kind of thing in a right manner in the future. Because if we are talking about any child, he is also watching a cartoon on the mobile phones. And these cartoons also present many things like how can we use a mobile phones and how can we think and how can we talk with our parents and a small child. If I talk
Is
in
there
the,
any role play? Is there any role can be played by the government side also?
yes, the government also can play many roles because government can make many applications to teach many things that is will be digital and they can also learn many things from this such kind of application and the government will also provide application that is known as Java application. From there we can get lots of Java applications. How can we learn many programs and many programs has been written on such kind of things and many things are written in there. And there will be also implemented many things on that such kind of things. So the small children can also learn many things. And Whitehead Junior that we can listen in these days, there will be also learn many things on our in online. From where we can learn many things and we can do many things in our future.
Okay. Very good. Clap for that.